Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hi guys, my name is Sanders, aka the Caribbean Dub, and today I want to cook something really quick, really easy. The kids aren't with me, so I really just want to make something lovely and satisfying for myself. You know how it is. So what do I have? Let me just lower this camera and I am gonna show you now. Sweet potatoes. We have a tin of tuna, coriander, black pepper, salt, a little bit of paprika. We have some garlic, an egg, garden peas, garden onions. So this is exactly from the garden there. And a bit of breadcrumbs. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna chop this up. I'm gonna put it in some boiling water and let it boil for a few minutes. About 10 minutes until it gets softened, and then I'll just peel it out of the skin, okay?
Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I literally didn't even peel those. What I did was I just chopped them up and I'm gonna boil them for 10 minutes. It's actually better like that because when it's boiled, you could just literally slip them out of the skin. It's really easy. Honestly guys, this is such a simple dish. I can't even say it anymore. And I've made different bits, but I haven't always made it like that. Now I'm just chopping up some garlic. Remember guys, if you haven't liked or subscribed, please do. I love the love and I'm trying to really grow this channel. Those are the mini onions from the garden. They are actually just so delicious. They almost have a spring onion taste to them. If you have spring onions, guys, perfect. But I didn't, so I basically just used what I had and compromised and picked some of the onions up early. I've literally just added it to the bowl. That's the first thing I'm going to add in. Sorry, that's the cord from the camera. Now that's just some normal frozen garden beans. Basically just a handful I've picked up. Okay, maybe 2 handfuls. My hands aren't that big. And I put some boiling water and I literally placed that in the microwave for about 3 minutes, 3-4 minutes. The way I see it, it's a way of getting, oh, actually, now we're chopping the garlic, sorry, not the garden. I actually have garlic ground in the garden now, so I don't know why I keep saying things wrong. I kind of like this because you're getting all the nutrients you can ever want in this dish, and we all know, like, if you put garlic in a dish, it's good for you. I just love it, and sweet potato is so good for you.
You want to be in too.
So I'm crushing the garlic. Lads, you can put as much as you want in. I'm a garlic fiend, I really am. Sorry about that noise. My son wants me to make a den with him. He's in there being Sergeant Major to my poor daughter, as you do. And here's the tuna. I think that tuna is in spring water. I've been going for that lately. I'm literally just gonna drain it out and scrape it in there. It might seem weird at first to add in so many like raw spices for the tuna, but it really, once the sweet potato goes in, it can handle it, believe me you. Here's a bit of coriander. If you have fresh coriander, go ahead and use that. Paprika. To be honest, lads, you're gonna see later on I go back in and add a bit of cayenne pepper in it, because by the time the sweet potato goes in, believe me, that sucker could take the spices in there. So I literally have to go back in again. There's the black pepper going in, a bit of salt. I had to go back in with salt as well, because I want it to be a savoury dish, and with sweet potato you have to really balance how you season it. Breadcrumbs going in. I did add more breadcrumbs because it got very wet by the time I added the egg. It got a bit wet, so I had to go back in and put in more breadcrumbs, but sure, you'll see that yourself. I literally just mixed the egg up myself, just whisk it gently, not too crazy. Seriously, he's in there shouting at her. Okay, that's the sweet potato, guys. Wait until they cool. You can see the steam going off that. Even my little chef hands, I'm not a chef, but this is a joke people make. My little chef hands, I'm told, they were burnt. Lord have mercy. Whoops, I missed one. And just give that a little smash. I think I boiled this for about 12 minutes, to be fair. That's all it really needs. Sweet potato, it has so much moisture in it. And we're gonna add the mashed sweet potato to our mix already. Oh God, they really want me to come and make the tent. So we add in all our mixture and we just mix it all up. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, let me taste that. That's when I realized that we needed a little bit more something to get that flavor popping. go on with the cayenne. Ooh. I'm not gonna lie guys, the kids end up having some the next day and they were able to handle it. They loved it actually. So that's something that's gonna be a favorite here. That's a good thing when you're cooking from scratch and you're meal planning. More breadcrumbs, too moist. When you're cooking from scratch, that's a really good thing because you end up just being able to play around with the ingredients that you have and come up with some really cool ideas. In all fairness, I'm a foodie, so I love watching like a good bit of food porn now, to be fair. But yep, there's the egg going in because the sweet potato is nice and cool. You don't want to scramble that egg. A cool thing, if you're one of these people that you like to meal prep, you can do your sweet potato and everything and then just mash it up and add it to your mixture as in whenever you need it, you know. Look at that. Oh guys, if I could go and eat that again. I'm not even lying how good it was. There's my pretty plate. None of my plates in the house match, by the way. I'm making them into patties and I'm going to put them on some plain flour here. Ooh, look at the skills. And they're all ready to go. That's some coconut oil. I put a generous amount of coconut oil in there and you'll see why. Because I'm adding flour. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You want to get them kind of crispy, you know, because they're crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. That coconut can really deal with that. That's what I love. Like, look how pretty the color is on them. Tell you, just I don't really do too much healthy eating, but I kind of feel like food by color is the best way. If your plate is colorful, it's usually healthier, isn't it? Oh, I would eat a salad with everything. That's just a basic salad with a little mix on it. With their, I think it's a French dressing. No, it's Aldi French dressing, sorry. And it's just literally tomato and cucumber. Ooh, presentation 101. Look how pretty. Oh yeah, a little line there now. I should have really pulled it out a bit more, but I didn't. Anyway, I hope that was helpful. I am going to post this up on my website now, so you'll be able to have the proper ingredients and the measurements and everything. Bye!